Hey guys, Claire from Branding Los Angeles here to tell you about why content marketing is valuable for your brand. You can use this to attract and retain a clearly defined audience and ultimately drive profitable customer interaction. Now we can get into why you should be investing in content marketing. Planned content marketing can raise your ROI or return on investment and ultimately attract customers that more accurately align with your company culture. There are 6 important steps to follow when beginning your journey with content marketing strategies. Step 1, amplify. Know what content to amplify in order to optimize your ROI. Step 2, analyze. Review your content results and know where you can improve. Step 3, promote. Figure out where, when, and how to publish your content. Step 4, strategize. Define a better content strategy by analyzing your audience's interests. Step 5, plan. Know how to make your content unique and stand out. And lastly, step 6, produce. Understand how to optimize your content as you create it. Moving forward, let me give you guys a few examples of content marketing. This would include graphics made to specifically communicate your brand's advertising goals in visually pleasing ways. You can also think of influencer reels that are high energy and give useful information to the viewers. Now we're moving forward to the benefits of content marketing. Content marketing creates loyalty. When your website or social media page has valuable content, it keeps the viewers interested and invested in the long term. Maintaining a loyal customer base is essential to your business's long-term success plan. Content marketing also builds trust. Building trust is another very valuable tool for customer retainment and success. When you're giving consistent value to your audience, they begin to trust you and take your advice more seriously. When you consistently give valuable content to your audience, they begin to trust you and the advice you might be soliciting. Your content needs to be engaging and answer any questions your audience might have. Building trust builds loyalty and leaves a positive association with your business. Content marketing can also create and generate more quality leads. Generating quality leads for your business is important for the long-term growth of your business. Having creative content marketing in place can help to ensure that you are generating leads. If you have an audience that is continuously viewing your content, they're more likely to purchase your goods and services. To generate quality leads, it's important that your content is directing your audience back to an informative homepage. When directing people back to your homepage, it's important to include a call to action phrase. These phrases will engage the audience and ensure that they're not left hanging with where to go to purchase your goods or services. This should all be made very clear and leave no room for any confusion. Content marketing will position your company as an authority in the industry. Credibility is vital, no matter what industry you're competing in. Having strong content can create credibility and make you reputable amongst your competitors as well. So start creating valuable content now. Regardless of your industry or goals, valuable content is vital to any company's success. Now that you know the importance and benefits of content marketing, you are now ready to begin planning your content marketing strategy. The final step in taking your content marketing strategy to the next level is hiring a branding and marketing agency. At Branding Los Angeles, we can help you create and distribute content that gives your business a leg up in the digital world. Don't hesitate to reach out to us and get started today. If you're interested in more educational marketing content, scan the QR code, and I'll see you next time.